My name is Ana Maria Kleymeyer, and I am a delegate with the Federated States of Micronesia. I am here in beautiful Bangkok this week at the 36th meeting of the parties of the Montreal Protocol, and also the Conference of the Parties of the Vienna Convention, where we are looking as parties at a number of very interesting issues. Some of them issues that have to do with strengthening the protocol itself, and some of them novel issues where we are building on the work of the Kigali Amendment to strengthen not only ozone protection, but the benefits of the treaty for climate change. Two of the most interesting issues from my perspective this week are life cycle refrigerant management and energy efficiency. So first, let me talk a moment about life cycle refrigerant management. Life cycle refrigerant management looks at the whole life cycle from the design through the development, construction, exporting, installation, use of the kinds of things that you and I use every day in our homes, our refrigerators, and in some cases our air conditioners. Why is this important to look at the whole life cycle? Because along that life cycle, things happen that contribute to additional warming from climate change. Because these equipments, these appliances have gases that are short-lived but very, very potent greenhouse gases, and also this equipment uses a lot of energy. So what we're trying to do here in this forum is look at ways that we can manage that equipment even better than we're doing. And that means basically looking at reducing the leakage of the gases, looking at ways to strengthen the energy efficiency, and what do we do with that equipment at the end of its life when it's no longer useful, so that those gases don't escape into the atmosphere and so we don't create lots of trash and put a burden on countries. So it's very interesting. It's a fairly new topic here in the protocol. We had a cool workshop on Sunday where we did all kinds of interesting breakout groups, and we should have a decision at the end of this meeting that paves the way forward on what the protocol can do to do better on life cycle refrigerant management. The other topic that I'm very excited about and always have been is energy efficiency, because the energy used in the appliances is half of the warming contributed to the planet from the use of refrigerators and air conditioners. The protocol has been looking at energy efficiency now for quite a few years. Lots of great reports from the Technical Economic Assessment Panel, and also called the TEEP here. They've been putting out some great reports, but now we have a lot of information. We know what to do, but now we gotta get it done. And so the decision that we're looking for, and that I hope to see at the end of this meeting, has to do with creating more regional approaches so that we are strengthening the capacity of all of the players or stakeholders in the regions to do better and help solve this problem and find new solutions, but also implement them. And then the other thing that we would like to see is we'd like to help make the protocol system even stronger as well, to develop and deliver on projects that the ozone units, those are the different offices in each one of the countries that deliver the Montreal Protocol results, that they can also do better in terms of the energy efficiency opportunities that they have. So that's kind of a little bit of what we're doing here, and we hope to have a couple new decisions by the end. Well, there's going to be dozens of new decisions, but those are the ones that I'm looking at. Those are the ones that you can also help with, because the elements of these decisions are issues that can happen here in the protocol, but that also might be things that in your work you can do, whether you're an NGO, whether you're a government official, whether you're an industry partner. There are things that you can do. What are those things? Well, maybe take a peek at the CCAC's website and you can see, some of the information that they've put together about the roles of all the stakeholders in helping solve the problem of climate change. Be a part of the solution.